Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another review for Just4Kira. If you guys haven't watched already, I already did a contact review for Just4Kira before, and I have to say that video has been going insane. I have about maybe 12,000 or 15,000 views on that video right now. Honestly, I don't know, but it has been going very big here on my channel, and that's because thanks to you guys for just supporting that video and watching it and seeing my review. I do have a lot of comments on that video, so I will address them in this video. So before I go ahead and change my eyeball color again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you just stopped by and watched this video, thank you so much for taking your time to watch my review. On that note, let's go ahead and change up our eyeball colors again and show you guys the beautiful shades that they send me. Shades or colors? Anyways, shades. Let's go ahead and try them on together. Okay, so before going ahead and starting off with this review, thank you so much again for Just4Kira for contacting me again and sending me some colors from their new collection, and also for sponsoring this video as well. They have also indicated a coupon code for you guys, and that's LBBYND1, and that's going to be linked in the description box down below. And same thing to the link if ever you want to shop at Just4Kira, but I will also indicate all the links and shades that I'm going to be showing you today as well. So it came in a lovely box this time, and it looks like that, and I am just really excited to show you guys the colors and show you guys the styles that they sent me as well. This time I got to choose what I wanted, and I got what I wanted, so I'm really happy about that. I've been talking to Mia from Just4Kira, and she has been just more than wonderful, the sweetest little person ever. And I haven't really met her face to face. I only have met her on Instagram and talking to her through emails, obviously. And she did recommend to put the contact lenses in my usual contact lens solution before putting them on. So I've been kind of having them soak in my usual contact solution, and before going ahead just taking them out of the package and popping them up to my eye. So I'm really excited to see if that actually really makes a difference. I did go ahead and see the colors, but I did not kind of like physically try them on, so I will be doing that with you guys today. And let me go ahead and show you guys everything that they have sent me. So these are the boxes, so you kind of get a box for your left eye and another box for your right eye. And just to let you guys know that Just4Kira also could include your vision degree in the contact lenses if you're somebody who wear glasses, which I am. I do wear glasses on a daily basis. I can't see that well from far away, so they were really nice enough to add my vision degree in this as well. So I'm quite excited to show you guys the packaging and also the lenses as well. And also, every time you order a contact lenses, they do send you the box for free, so you guys don't have to worry about like finding ways to put your contacts in. So they definitely send you one, and I honestly love their package. It's just transparent, it's cute, it's handy. You have all the tools that you need to put your contact lenses, and they are also travel friendly, which I really like. So you can just pop this in your purse, and if you're somebody who travels a lot, it's ideal to have these with you. So let's go ahead and show you guys the contact lenses. At the same time I'm reviewing these contact lenses, I'm also going to kind of refer to some questions in the first video that I have done here. A lot of people ask, how long does it take for it to arrive? They are arriving from China, and they take about 2 weeks to arrive to your location. So 2 weeks is literally, you wait, but you wait for a good cause. So 2 weeks, for me, I don't find it's long enough. Some companies just take longer than that. So they do take about 2 weeks to arrive to your location, and they do ship internationally as well. And if ever you want to contact them, it's so easy to just get a hand of their customer service. They're really fast, they're very helpful, and they're could assist you with anything that you have inquiry regarding your order or just contact lenses in general. So that said, also another thing that was written a lot on the comments is that get closer to the camera. So I can't really get so close to the camera. This is the closest that I can get. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to put pictures up of the contact lenses so you guys could see them, and like that could give you guys a better idea on how they look in your eyes. So as you guys can see, I do have dark eyes. I have dark brown eyes, so it all depends on the mood. Sometimes they're hazily, so sometimes you can see the green in my eyes, but today I made sure to put eye makeup that really accentuates my brown eyes. So it just makes it perfect to show you guys how well they cover dark eyes. So if whether you have black eyes, brown eyes, they will go ahead and cover. And obviously if you have colored eyes, they will cover that as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys the colors that I have here, which I'm really excited to use. As you guys all know, I don't really like brown contact lenses, but I went ahead and I got myself another brown contact lens just to see how it's gonna look on me. You know, sometimes I really like kind of like that honey kind of shade, like really light. So I saw this on their website and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And this is the one right here. I'm gonna show you it. You can't see it that well, but yeah, so these are the colors in there. I know it kind of looks a bit greenish, but it is a brown color. This is called Sanita Brown, and it looks like that. I have to say they changed their packaging and I absolutely love it, and it looks like that. So this is the Soft Lens Mirage color, made in Korea, and they're good for a year. This is what it says here on the box. So good for a year. Obviously I am somebody who, you know, changes the contact solution from time to time, so just to keep them nice and fresh. And I know that there is going to be comments in this video saying, well, contact lenses should only last for a month. I know that. You don't have to tell me. I know that. You know, you buy your contact lenses, you do whatever you want to do with them, okay? So if you want to wear them for a year, go ahead, but you're taking a risk to maybe have an infection or something. So just be aware that I know that contact lenses is normally about a month or maybe 2 months, but if it's any less than that, then, you know, I'm not an eye doctor, but I just relate to my glasses, okay? I just wear these if I have an event and I want a different eye color, okay? So just so that you guys know, the box says 1 year, but it doesn't really mean 1 year. Maybe it does, you know? So if you have questions regarding that, contact Just4Kira and they will let you know. So this is what it is. I love the box, I love the packaging, I love the rose gold, I love everything. If you guys don't know, I have a little something with packaging, and when I find a packaging really cute, it really, you know, for me it really grabs attention, and I love that. So because I'm just a packaging freak girl to start off with. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the shade right here, and it looks like that. So this is it. So this is the box, and you want to make sure that you open up correctly. So you just pull it up here. I'm always scared to open it up, so it opens up like that. And you also have in here, you have the tweezers, and you also have this kind of like this eye popper thing, like a spoon, and with like this section right here. I don't really use that. It terrifies me. If you guys know that already, I've filmed 2 videos talking about contact lenses already here on my channel. So you can see, like, I'm not really a huge fan of this tool. I normally really love the tweezer, and it looks like that. And you also have like rubber ends on it for your contact lenses. So let's go ahead and show you the colors. I also labeled them according to my eye degree, because I have one eye that has a different degree than the other one. So the first one, this is Sanita Brown. I tried my best to get a good focus on here, but this is Sanita Brown, and I normally use my fingers to apply the contact lens. So I'll go ahead and do that. And like I said, this has been soaking into my contact solution already. And the one I like to use a lot is from Life brand. I just really like them, and it's a huge one. So yeah, I just wanted to share that if you guys were curious about my contact lens solution that I use. So I normally just take my finger and I pop it onto my eye. I kind of look away, I place it, and then I look toward it, and it looks like this. Yes, this says brown, but I do find it more on kind of like a greenish side. There is a little hint of brown in there. You guys could see the picture right here, but you can definitely see the difference of my eyes. So see how dark my eye is? See how this totally eliminated my brown color? and the contact lens is just popping, and I'm obsessed. Like this is crazy. And I have to say, I love this color, even though I wanted it to be a little bit more brown. So I'm also gonna get a bit closer so you guys could see how it looks like as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the second one here. My trick is to look away from it, place it on your eyeball, and then just move your pupil toward the contact lens. And it should stick on just like that. Okay, so they are both on, and this is how it looks like. I have to say, this makes me feel so many ways. I absolutely love it. It really changes my eye color. It kind of like just really changes. There's something about contact lenses that kind of just change something about you the minute you pop them on, and this one is making me feel some kind of a way, and I'm loving it. So this is how it looks like. I am totally obsessed with this color. Highly recommend it if ever you want it. Even though you wanted kind of like more of a brown shade and you get this one, I'm not mad about it. It's actually super nice, and I have to say they are so comfortable on. These are soft lenses, which I normally is what I love the most, because I find them are a little bit more comfortable to the wear. And again, this does not give tunnel vision whatsoever. They look clear. The vision is amazing. I see so well right now. You guys have no idea. I can actually read my diplomas that I have on the wall right here, which I normally without glasses I struggle with, and I love them. So yeah, this is how this pair looks like. I am just feeling myself right now, totally obsessed with it. I'll go ahead and grab some pictures and I'll come back to the second color. I'm gonna go ahead and show you quickly on how I remove my contact lenses. This is really quick, and this is how I remove them. I just kind of tuck on my eye a little bit, grab a little pinch, and I pinch only with my skin, and I remove it. So I only pinch, I don't use my nails to do that, I just use the skin. Okay, next color is also Sanita Gray, which is kind of the same collection, same packaging, same everything. And this is how Sanita Gray looks like, and I have to say these are so beautiful. If you guys don't know, gray is my favorite contact lenses to wear. Just the shade gray on myself, I just feel like, again, it makes me feel so many ways, and I just love it. This is leaving me speechless. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop it from there. It's I love it. Okay, this is such a beautiful color. Okay, so I'm matching my sweater right now, and I am loving it. This is so nice. Look at this view. You just want to pose and just take pictures with these contact lenses. They're just so beautiful. Same thing as the other one. These are also soft lenses. They feel amazing in my eyes. They're very light. It feels literally like I have nothing on, which is what I really love about contact lenses. No tunnel vision in this one as well. And this is how the color looks like. So this is how they look like, and I'm obsessed. And hopefully you guys could see it better on the picture as well that it has been posted. Let's go ahead and remove this and move on to the third color. Pop, pop. Called Vision Green, and it looks like that. If you guys don't know, I also love green contact lenses, and this is how they look like. Yes, they do look a little bit more yellowish, so I'm quite excited to try these on and see how they look like. And this is from the Beacon's packaging. Look at the box, look at the hollow moment right now. I'm obsessed. So I'm guessing they're also soft lenses, but it doesn't say on the box. But let's go ahead and try them on and see how they look like. These look really interesting because they don't have the black rim around the contact lenses like most of the contact lenses that I have, so I'm quite excited to try these on. These look really interesting. I wasn't able to show you closely the gray ones because they kind of look like the brown ones. As you guys could see, they don't have a black rim around them. They're just like a color with like just a transparent rim. So I'm quite excited to see how these are going to look like, to be honest. And they definitely kind of like have a light green to a yellow shade in there as well. So let's go ahead and try them on. Oh, they're very light. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see a difference, but they definitely made my eyes lighter. I feel like I have nothing on. It literally feels like my actual pupil color. This is how this one looks like. It's very, very interesting because it kind of looks like literally like my eye, but it just has a lighter shade to it. Okay, these are really, really nice. As you guys could see, they definitely lighten up my eyes. It kind of gives me like kind of my actual eye color but lighter, and that's what I really love about them. They are incredibly soft. It feels like I literally have nothing on. I don't feel them in my eye. The vision is amazing as always, and no tunnel vision in this one either. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed with them. These are natural to another level. They definitely would work for kind of like an everyday base. I love them. They are actually really, really beautiful, and I love how natural they look. I think I kind of like the no black rim around it, just more for a natural look. Alrighty, you guys, so far I've been really, really happy with everything. So let's go ahead and remove this color and show you guys the last color that I have. Pop, pop. Last but not least, they are exactly like the Vision Green, but these are Vision Blue. Same packaging, same everything. So I'm quite excited to show you these because these look really, really interesting. So they are blue, but they also have that kind of like a transparent vibe to them, which I kind of really, really like. You guys don't know how excited I am to try these. So they are kind of like the same thing as the other ones. So let's go ahead and pop them on and see what they give. Okay. Okay, I am obsessed. So this is how the blue one looks like. I have no words. This is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm literally obsessed with this one. It's so beautiful. Again, it makes me feel so many ways, and I just can't get enough of it. So this is the Vision Blue, and I'm obsessed with them. I honestly highly recommend the Vision collection that they have. I will leave the link of them in the description box down below. Same thing to the Sanita ones as well. I have to say I've been so happy with everything that they have sent me. The contact lenses themselves are so light and so soft on your eyes, like you literally feel like you have nothing on. And this is what I love about contact lenses, because you just want them to be comfortable. And I know that contact lenses throughout the day could get very drying, so I'm gonna try my best to kind of try them out. But overall, this is my honest review about this contact lenses. I am really, really liking them. And if you do feel that your eyes kind of dry out, which is something quite common in contact lenses, I kind of just keep a hydrating eye drops in my purse if you are planning to wear them for a long time. I know on myself they tend to get really, really dry and they kind of get a little bit uncomfortable, but it's for me for any kind of contact lenses. Even though when I wear just a complete transparent one, I do have the same issue. So it all depends with yourself, but with the hydrating eye drops, I feel like it really, really helps a lot to just bring back the moisture into my eyes, and it's something quite common with everybody that I know. I'm going to be leaving all the colors and information down below in the description box for you guys, and just closing off this video with the blue one because I'm just feeling myself. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions regarding Just4Kira, just let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely answer you guys through there. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.